Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video covers introduction to ReactJs. Let's get started. What is ReactJs? ReactJs is an open-source JavaScript library used to build fast and interactive user interfaces. Next, what are the key features of ReactJs? Component-based architecture, Virtual DOM, JSX. Next, we discuss more about these key features. Component-based architecture. React core feature is its component-based architecture. React components are the building blocks of any React application. React encourages developers to break down your UI into reusable components, each responsible for a specific part of the UI. This modular approach improves code organization and maintainability and reduces the development time. Next feature. Virtual DOM. React creates a virtual DOM that is the exact copy of the real DOM. When something changes in the web application, React compares virtual DOM with actual DOM. Efficiently updates only the necessary parts of the actual DOM. It reduces rendering overhead and improves performance. Next feature. JSX. React uses JSX, JavaScript XML, to define component structures. JSX allows you to write HTML-like syntax within JavaScript, making it easier to visualize and build UI components. It also helps in making the code easier to understand and debug. Next coming videos, we can go deep into these key features with examples. Thank you for watching.